Best crypto to buy now 21 April RNDR, CFX, ZIL. Bitcoin has recently encountered a tumultuous period, having ascended past the $30,000 mark just last week only to experience a subsequent decline. Reaching a 9-month peak, the achievement initially sparked market enthusiasm, but excitement waned as the cryptocurrency's value fell to $27,000. How might this downturn in the cryptocurrency market affect the selection of the best cryptos to buy now? A glimpse into Bitcoin's potential path. Micheal, Poppe, a seasoned cryptocurrency analyst, offered insights into the potential direction of Bitcoin's price movement in the coming days. https://1quintillion649,433,433,433,943,146 utilizing a chart of the digital currency's recent fluctuations. Poppe highlighted the inherent unpredictability of Bitcoin's behavior, putting forth the non-controversial idea that forecasting its future course is challenging. According to Poppe, the $27,600 mark represents a pivotal juncture for the digital currency. This level previously served as a support zone during Bitcoin's ascent beyond $30,000, rendering it a key point of interest. The analyst posited that a continued rally is plausible, but it would necessitate a swift recovery. Liquidity could be taken beneath, but a rapid rebound is required, he elaborated. Conversely, he also drew attention to the $28,800 resistance level, which is currently being fortified by bearish traders. Overcoming this barrier is of utmost significance, Poppe explained. Should the bulls fail to reclaim this level, the cryptocurrency's value could recede to the $26,000 range in the near term. A precarious crossroads for Bitcoin. Bitcoin now finds itself at a crossroads where even a modest upward movement is vital to maintain its current price. Its decline to $27,000 has positioned BTC below its 20-day exponential moving average, indicating a short-term bearish trend despite a long-term bullish outlook. At present, Bitcoin's price has breached the $28,000 level of support and is hovering just below the $27,300 mark at $27,284 with a 37% loss so far today. Additionally, the formidable resistance at $28,800 is currently dissuading market participants who are opting for a cautious approach. Nonetheless, such a precarious situation also implies that the likelihood of an upward swing is on par with that of a downward slide. For some, the recent retracement presents a rare chance to acquire Bitcoin at a reduced cost, potentially sparking a trend of accumulation. As long as demand persists, speculations of a drop to $25,000 remain speculative. Although Bitcoin and the wider crypto market has experienced a recent decline, the need for diversifying investment portfolios endures. A comprehensive assessment of both fundamental and technical factors highlights lhinu, RNDR, dlance, CFX, ecoterra, ZIL, SWDTKN, and taro as some of the best cryptos to buy now. Cast your vote, earn rewards. Love, Hate, and U's unique approach to public discourse. Love, Hate, and U offers users the opportunity to engage in discourse and cast votes on polarizing topics. The platform offers a unique approach to addressing contentious topics and public opinions about well-known figures such as Elon Musk, Cristiano Ronaldo, and Donald Trump, among others. As part of a demonstration of the platform's concept, Love, Hate, and You is hosting an off-chain voting contest, free for entry, where participants have the chance to win $10,000 by voting on their sentiments toward Andrew Tate. To join, individuals can visit the Love, Hate, and You website and follow the instructions under the Vote for a Chance to Win $10,000 section. Token holders of lhinu can stake their tokens to acquire a portion of the voting rights in each poll. Participation in voting comes with financial incentives, leading to the platform's characterization as vote to earn. Rewards are distributed by the poll creators and staking. More tokens for longer durations increases voting influence. Initially, Love, Hate, and You will determine the polls available, but plans to delegate this task to users after the platform's official launch. The platform's voting system, built on blockchain technology, ensures fairness, transparency, and security. Measures are in place to prevent bot interference, including a 30-day staking requirement for voting eligibility. To finance the development of its platform, Love, Hate, and You is conducting a presale of lhinu tokens. The presale has garnered significant attention and raised $5.02 million so far. The presale is progressing and is anticipated to reach $10 million in the coming months. The platform's social media presence has also seen substantial growth, with thousands of followers on Twitter and Telegram. As the fifth stage of the presale approaches its conclusion, interested buyers have only 3 days remaining to purchase the tokens at the current rate. After this period, the price will rise to 125 cents per token. Render token RNDR. The render token RNDR experienced a significant price pump of 60% in April, making it one of the standout performers of 2023. Despite a recent pullback of over 16% today, bringing the price down to $1.63. RNDR has maintained an impressive 300+% gain since the start of the year. The 20-day EMA is currently at $1.63, the 50-day EMA at $1.475, and the 100-day EMA at $1.302. The fact that all three EMAs are positioned either close to or below the current price suggests a neutral to bullish trend, so if the price continues to free fall, there may be buying opportunities once the price stabilizes. However, it is important to note that the current price is testing the 20-day EMA as a potential support level. The current RSI value of 52.33, down from yesterday's 67.18, indicates a cooling off of buying pressure. While the RSI is still in neutral territory, a continued decline could signal continued momentum toward the bearish side. The MACD indicator provides additional insights. The MACD histogram has now increased from the previous day's value of 0.050 to the current day's value of 0.143. This MACD histogram suggests a potential weakening of today's bearish momentum. The 20-day EMA is now acting as support, so this level should be watched carefully for clues as to the next direction. While RNDR experienced a remarkable rally in April, the recent pullback in technical indicators suggest caution for traders. Traders are advised to monitor the RSI, MACD, and trading volume for any further shifts in momentum to potentially grab some tokens once RNDR shows signs of the selling pressure easing off. Ecoterra, pioneering the recycled earn movement in the crypto space. dlance, a Web3 freelancing recruitment platform, has successfully accumulated over $355,000 in its pre-sale within a span of 3 weeks, with Stage 1 closing in just 2 days. During Stage 2, the price is scheduled to rise from its existing level of 25 cents to a new rate of 29 cents. Deelance's blockchain technology connects freelancers and recruiters in a marketplace that fosters efficient and innovative business practices. The platform's appeal to participants stems from its utilization of non-fungible tokens (NFTs) to establish work ownership and its incorporation of the metaverse concept to enhance business efficiency. Unlike competitors such as Upwork and Fiverr, dlance aims to establish an ecosystem that encourages commerce on a broader scale. The platform's metaverse, accessible via desktops, allows users to interact as avatars, purchase land, advertise, and connect with business partners. Deelance's creator, Dimity Curran, commented positively on the pre-sale advancements and emphasized the unique aspects of the platform. He pointed out the competitive advantages of dlance, including reduced fees, secure escrow through cryptography, NFT-backed ownership verification, and the immersive metaverse experience. The dlance token's value stems from its ability to grant access to the opportunities presented by the dlance ecosystem. The NFT marketplace of dlance serves as the foundation for an ecosystem that facilitates the trade of goods and services in both the digital and non-digital worlds. Dlance is positioned to disrupt the $761 billion global recruitment services industry, as reported by IBIS World, by offering a low-cost, highly functional marketplace with the added advantages of metaverse intimacy, lower costs, and Web3 and NFT security and trust systems. Conflux CFX. Conflux CFX has been the subject of significant price volatility in recent times, leading traders and investors to pay close attention to its technical indicators to identify potential trading opportunities. CFX's 20-day EMA is observed to be at 357,388 cents, positioned above the 50-day EMA at 322,149 cents, and the 100-day EMA at 250,358 cents. The placement of the shorter-term 20-day EMA above the longer-term EMAs suggests the presence of a bullish trend in the intermediate term. However, CFX's current price of 2,233 cents is trading below the 20-day EMA, indicating the possibility of short-term bearish pressure. The RSI is currently registering a value of 38.60, a decline from the previous day's reading of 43.74. An RSI value below 50 is indicative of bearish momentum, and the recent drop in the RSI suggests that selling pressure may be intensifying. Traders are advised to monitor the RSI as it approaches the oversold level of 30, which could signal an impending reversal. The MACD histogram value for the current day is -0.0127, representing a decrease from the previous day's value of -0.0112. The presence of negative histogram values and the widening divergence point to bearish momentum, which may persist in the immediate future. Lastly, CFX is currently facing immediate resistance at the Fibonacci 0.618 level of 3,528 cents. CFX has now broken through the support at the Fibonacci 0.5 level of 3,107 cents. The next potential support may be found at the Fibonacci 0.382 level of 2,687 cents, which is in confluence with the horizontal support range of 2,618 cents to 2,733 cents. Ecoterra, the crypto project pioneering a sustainable future with recycled earn. Ecoterra is a green crypto project that has raised over $2 million in just 3 weeks. It offers an environmentally conscious blockchain-based ecosystem that aims to help individuals and organizations combat climate change. With various applications and marketplaces, Ecoterra fosters a supportive network for stakeholders to pursue sustainability initiatives. The platform's native token, $Ecoterra, incentivizes efficient waste management through a unique recycled earn RWOE system, encouraging users to reduce their carbon footprints. Tokens can be staked for passive income, while companies that produce recyclable materials can also benefit from Ecoterra's interconnected ecosystem. Ecoterra's carbon offset and recycled materials marketplace are key components of the platform. The carbon offset marketplace allows users and companies to offset emissions using $Ecoterra tokens, supporting high-standard, verified projects worldwide. The recycled materials marketplace connects recycling businesses with companies seeking eco-friendly resources. The blockchain-powered RWOE app is in high demand, with the current token price at 625 cents US per token in the Ecoterra pre-sale stage 4. As the price is expected to increase, interested investors should act quickly to secure the current low price before the pre-sale moves to stage 5. Ecoterra's CEO, Micheal, emphasizes the importance of the recycled materials marketplace as a platform that connects companies with recycling businesses. Payments can be made using $Ecoterra tokens or other cryptocurrencies, with advanced filtering systems to ensure materials meet purchasers' specific demands. Ecoterra is dedicated to forging partnerships and integrating prominent brands into its network with the goal of creating a regenerative economic system in which discarded materials are recycled for production purposes. ZIL. While the cryptocurrency market has been grappling with a downward trajectory that has affected the value of numerous tokens, including the prominent Bitcoin, ZIL's digital token has surfaced as one of the few that have experienced an upswing. In the midst of a market that has been largely unfavorable to cryptocurrencies, ZIL is seeing a price rise in the past 24 hours of 16%, making it a leading gainer so far today. The ascent in ZIL's value coincides with the release of updated data on the performance of the ZIL blockchain network. The updated performance metrics point to a swift expansion of the ZIL network, which has garnered increased interest and activity. The data reveals that ZIL has registered 4,582,116 addresses, processed 47,937,1935 transactions, and seen over 5.5 billion ZIL tokens staked. These figures are particularly striking when considering ZIL's standing relative to other smart contract platforms such as Cardano, Ethereum, and Solana. Additionally, the data highlights that the total number of addresses recorded are actively engaged in daily transactions. ZIL's digital token, ZIL, has exhibited a volatile price movement throughout the year. ZIL commenced the year 2023 with a value of $1,585 but has since experienced a gradual rally, reaching its present value of 309 cents despite intermittent setbacks. From a technical standpoint, the market sentiment surrounding ZIL appears to be optimistic, but traders should exercise caution in buying ZIL until the wider crypto market prices stabilize and might consider instead snagging some alternative coins in pre-sale that aren't currently being impacted by market declines. Swords of Blood, unleashing the power of blockchain in AA caliber RPGs. Swords of Blood is an RPG that leverages Polygon blockchain technology to furnish a gaming experience on par with AAA titles. The game's battle mechanics, visuals, gameplay, and multiple modes are striking, offering players an enthralling experience. Swords of Blood stands out as an exceptional cryptocurrency game by offering players an immersive experience through its captivating plot. Set in the fragmented realm of Azura, players can adopt various roles, such as warriors and battle mages. Accomplishing missions with elaborately crafted narratives rewards them with the most coveted treasures. People who are interested in Swords of Blood can participate in the SWDTKN pre-sale, which supports the ecosystem. The pre-sale offers varied benefits and incentives for each tier. For example, the initial tier provides early beta access, while the top tier includes a full-size Sword of Blood forged by Ben Abbott, along with all lower-tier perks. Other tiers include incentives such as physical merchandise like hoodies or letter openers, as well as in-game assets. The SWDTKN pre-sale is presently underway, with a token price of 70 cents, purchasable using ETH or DAI. Stage 2 of the pre-sale will conclude in roughly 3 days, providing a narrow window to acquire the token at the most favorable price. To illustrate its success, the pre-sale has already amassed over $1.18 million. Swords of Blood exemplifies the type of game that can facilitate the crypto market's entry into the broader gaming industry. As such, the pre-sale is worth consideration, whether you're an avid gamer or a more casual enthusiast. $SWDTKN is one of the best cryptos to buy now. Robotera. unleashing creativity in the metaverse with decentralized gaming. The internet is witnessing the rise of the metaverse, and robot era is making its presence felt in this domain. The platform, powered by its native cryptocurrency Taro, offers a metaverse gaming experience that goes beyond the traditional play-to-earn model. The story of Robot Era is set on Taro, a planet devastated by robotic forces. The mission is to restore the planet to its former glory with the help of 10,000 sentient robots. These robots, each possessing human-like cognition and emotions, work collaboratively to establish a flourishing ecosystem. The gaming experience on Robot Era is designed to be highly immersive. Players assume the roles of robots, each belonging to one of 7 distinct factions with their own attributes and advantages. The metaverse offers opportunities for land ownership, customization, and the creation of robotic allies known as companions. The platform's economy is dynamic, allowing players to trade, mine resources, and acquire robot NFTs. In the Robot Era metaverse, players are rewarded with regular airdrops, and they also have the opportunity to craft robotic companions at workbenches. These robotic companions, which are non-fungible tokens NFTs, enhance the gaming experience and can be visually customized to the player's preference. Land ownership is a fundamental aspect of the Robot Era metaverse. Players have the ability to build and manage properties on their own land, thereby generating sources of income. Additionally, each parcel of land is an NFT, allowing players to sell their land to others. Taro tokens serve as the lifeblood of the Robot Era economy. For instance, players can earn Taro tokens by completing in-game tasks. These tokens can be used for various purposes, including making in-game purchases, trading on exchanges, and staking to receive annual returns. Robot Era's Taro token. Pre-sale is underway, offering individuals a chance to join the metaverse. The pre-sale price is currently 20 cents per Taro, with a subsequent increase to 225 cents. The pre-sale has already raised over $1.13 million toward its Phase 1 target of $1.215 million. Purchasing Taro tokens involves a few simple steps, including setting up a crypto wallet, adding funds, connecting the wallet to Robot Era's dashboard, and placing an order for Taro tokens. Contributing to the evolution of metaverse gaming with its unique project, Taro is one of the best cryptos to buy now.